How do I find my niche as a coach? Stop overthinking your niche. Use this simple framework I'm about to share with you. If you've been stuck trying to pick a niche, this video will relieve you. Because a niche is not about a personality decision. It's about a sales decision. Hello, I'm Dr. Francis Mbunya, and I help first-time coaches monetize their expertise in 90 days through clarity in their offer, pipeline, and a simple sales process. And here is why niche actually matter. If you're trying to coach everyone, your message becomes too generic. Generic message doesn't convert, not at all. It may give you the clarity in your content. It's what you talk about day in, day out that people know you for. It's what you talk about day in, day out that brings the confidence that you need to on what you're about to do or how you're about to help people. It's what you talk about day in, day out that make people refer you. Why would someone refer you to Walmart, to McDonald's? Because they know about it, because they've heard about it. Right. So the niche triangle framework, it's the easiest way to define your niche. Can you answer these three questions? Number one, who you help. Number two, the problem they will pay to solve. And number three, the outcome you can deliver. Let's start from the first one, who you help. You don't help people, you help specific person. A lot of people build their programs on I have women, I have youth, I have managers. They must be specific people you're helping. I have managers who are burnt out, maximize their performance. What qualifies the people you have managers burn out? So any manager who is burnt out when they hear about, hey, this is your burnout solution, they want to talk to you. For instance, I have new coaches. Why? Because new coaches have not mastered how to sell to a point where they can generate a $10,000 income in a month. So that's what they're looking for, and that's what I help them to do. Second, the problem. So the first was who you help. That clarity is very important. If I have first-time coaches, now I can now talk about the problem. One of the problem of first-time coaches is about niche, about finding their niche. So you need a problem that creates urgency, not a vague desire. Now, a pay problem sound like this. These are some of the problems people are willing to pay you to solve them. My outcome is as specific as I'll help you to be able to close 3 clients within 90 days. It can be as simple as that. I can go ahead as telling you how much revenue we want to create within 90 days. Or I can simply say, I will help you build a program that converts within 90 days. So at the end of the 90 days, what are we checking? Can my program convert? Are people coming to me? Are they booking sales call? Do I understand how to sell to them? When these three align, your niche becomes sellable. So that is the basic framework of selling. Now, if you actually want my niche selector worksheet, put in the comment section niche, and I will personally send it to you. Now, let's make sure you choose a niche that you can actually win. 2 tests that you know, or 2 evaluations that you need to perform when you choose a niche. Number one, evidence. Can I show proof that I'm capable of doing this? And number two, energy. Can I talk about this topic throughout the year without feeling tired, without being way out, without feeling overwhelming? If you hate the problem, you won't last. If you're just doing it because it's what is making money this time, no, you won't last. So let me free you from perfection. You don't need to be perfect. Something you can start working on. Along the line, you'll perfect. Along the line, you'll pivot. So if you need help choosing a niche, if you need help tightening that offer, if you need help installing a process that we guarantee predictable income, book a 30-minute success call with me. The link is below. I'm Dr. Francis Mbunya, raising purpose-driven leader rooted in Christ and built for global impact. Don't forget to follow, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.